Hey guys, so we bought so many things and I'm with my brother. Yeah, so we're gonna surprise my family. Surprise! It's too expensive, bro.
Ano?
I don't know.
1K?
So, yeah, I calculated all of our gastos and it turns out umabot siya ng 1K.
$1K a second? Ay.
Carry yan, be. Nabot kami ng 1K, guys. Prestador talaga. Pangit, no. So we're buying donuts. What do you want? Parang cute na, no?
Yan o.
Wala, kinuha yung camera, guys. Thank you, kuya.
Hindi tayo makain.
No, my friends, they tell me they see you're planning to get on one knee. Whoa. So, here is the donuts. Silip lang muna. Hehe.
It's raining outside. Wow. Have to check. Wow, exhausted. Mukha naman napagbibilang sa galaan. Ano sabi mo?
Ito, regala.
Ilang taon?
Ano?
Sabi mo 4 years. 4 years? Ha? Cellphone ko. Oh, nasan?
Warang sa iyo. Wala pa.
Hala ka, nawawala. Dito. What the heck? Oh, diba? Kinabahan siya eh. Kinabahan siya mga 1 minute.
Makain na ako.
Maya na.
Ha?
Look guys, it is still raining. It's raining in the Philippines. Yeah. China Bank. I can't afford to go to China, so I just went to China Bank instead. Look guys, look what I bought for my little sister. Yan. Lacoste na yung brand niyan, te ha. Lacoste na, te. Sorry, napatawarin mo na ako sa mga kasalanan mo. Charis. So, siguro naman, enough na yung Lacoste polo na yan para di mo maawain ng isang tao. Mommy, we're home! Oh. Yay!
May donut pa.
250 ang donut, be. Kay kuya niya to, oh, kasi tinanong kay si Tote kung anong gusto. Kaso di ko alam kung ano bibilin sa'yo. Wow! Ikaw to, sukatin mo daw tantan yan.
Ang binili mo.
Bili na ikaw daw na tantan. Ang gusto mo? Wow!
as you can see naman, sobrang ganda nung tela and then branded.